So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to restrict an account on Threads. So once you're on the Threads, go to whatever account you want to restrict. So for this demonstration, I'm just going to go to the search bar right here. So the bottom left, I go to where it says search. I'm going to search up Instagram for this demonstration, but I'm not actually going to restrict them. Obviously, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. So once you're on this screen, go to the top right and press on these three little dots right here. Then once you're on this screen, you can go ahead and press restrict. So right above mute, there's right below mute, sorry, and right above block, it says restrict. So plus on restrict. And there you go. You've now restricted this account. Now, if you want to undo it, I go to the top right and do the exact same thing. Press on the three dots. I go to where it says unrestrict, press on unrestrict, and you have now unrestricted whatever account you decide. So that is how to restrict an account on Threads. I hope this video helps.